Welcome to our discussion. Today we will introduce our SolidWorks model, the hydraulic pump, done by the contributors Mohammed and Noor and Youssef. So firstly, what is a hydraulic pump? It is a mechanical device that converts mechanical power into hydraulic energy by generating a pressurized flow of fluid. The idea development behind it. Need for fluid power transmission in machinery and hydraulic systems. Simple, compact design using two meshing gears to create flow. Efficient for steady continuous flow needs in hydraulic systems. Easy to manufacture and maintain, making it a practical choice. Despite how simple a hydraulic pump may look, but it is widely used in industry. The functionality of this device is actually so simple. Fluid enters at the inlet due to gear separation. The meshing gears rotate to create flow. Fluid is carried around the gears and pushed out at the outlet. The hydraulic pump consists of several parts. Let's have a closer look on exploded view. Here is a motion study for the model. This is how it explode. Now we can add a rotary motor to see how gears rotate. Then how it collapse. For a more detailed look, this is how gears rotate together from a sectional view. And here are some realistic rendered pictures of our hydraulic pump model. Moving forward for stress analysis animation. Showing the torque of gears onto the shafts. Despite the many errors we faced, we can successfully say we finished it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed.